Hi everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, I'm explaining about caselet data interpretation. Here I'm explaining about caselet data interpretation. First of all, in caselet data interpretation, how the questions will be there and what is the way of giving the information. First of all, the information is in terms of passage. Here the whatever the information which is provided in terms of passage. In that passage, some information will be there. Based on that passage, we need to give some conclusions accordingly. Why? Because that particular passage contains maybe around whatever the values of suppose for example, in a college there are 1500 students. Out of all the students, some are playing cricket. Here there are few students are there. Out of them, some are playing cricket, some are playing hockey, some are playing football, and some are playing both hockey and football. These kind of information will be given. After that, among that, by using that information, we need to draw some diagrams accordingly, whatever the possible diagram that we can able to draw. So once you got the final conclusion of that particular passage at the end of this particular information, then you can go ahead with the problems based on this passage. Here it is very easy to solve the problems once you got the final approach of this particular passage. Whatever the passage is given, for that particular passage you must calculate the final exact output, so that the calculations part will be very easy, right? First, look at the information which is provided in this passage. Here the passage is saying about in a college there are 1500 students. Total there are 1500 students in a college. Out of all those 1500 students, 360 students are playing only cricket. So here it is total 1500 students. Total 1500 students, and out of that only cricket. Only cricket which is showing about 360. Only cricket 360 students. And 120 students are playing both cricket and hockey. Both cricket and hockey. Both cricket and hockey, 120 members. And next 50 students are playing plays cricket, hockey and football, all three games. All three games, that is cricket, hockey and also football, all three games played by 50 members, all three games. And next one, number of students who played both hockey and football, that is 70. Both hockey and football, that is equal to 50 members, not 50, 70. Number of students who are playing both hockey and football, which is equal to 70. And next, number of students who are playing both cricket and football, both cricket and football. Cricket and football number of students are 90. Now last information is that number of students who played only hockey, only hockey, which is equal to only hockey. How many students? 390 students. 390 students are playing only hockey. So if you observe carefully, here we have total three different games. One is cricket, one is hockey, one is football. So whenever the problems passage is given based on these kind of informations, you need to draw the Venn diagram for these three. See, first one is cricket. One circle is for cricket, one circle is for hockey, and one circle is for football. This is cricket. Let us consider this is hockey and this is football. Now, whenever these kind of informations are given, first and foremost thing is you need to fill the intersection point of cricket, hockey and football. How many members are playing all the games, that is cricket, hockey and football, which is equal to 50. It means this value is 50. This value is 50. After that, look at the combinations of both the games: cricket, hockey, hockey, football, and cricket, football. Once look at first one, cricket and hockey. Cricket and hockey is 120. Cricket and hockey is 120. Out of this 120, this is a region where cricket and hockey intersection is there. In this region, already 50 is completed at this position. Still, you left over with only 70. That 70 will come at this position. And next, coming to this hockey and football. Hockey and football is 70. Intersection of hockey and football. This is the intersection of hockey and football. Already 50 is there at this position. Still 20 is left over. Total 70. And next, cricket and football is 90. This is cricket and this is football. Here, out of this intersection point, 50 is already there. Still 40 is left over. This is 40. Now, once it is done, you need to focus on only a single game. Only cricket is 360. Here, this is the region of only cricket. Only hockey is 390. Only hockey is 390. Now, from the given passage, we got all the values except only football. Except only football. What is that value? First, we need to calculate how many members are, how many students are playing only football. That is the value that we need to find out first. Why? Because remaining all values are given as per the given passage. So first we need to calculate only football, how many students are playing. So how do you get that value? It is very simple, that you just subtract whatever the values which are available in this Venn diagram from the total number of students. Here the total number of students are 1500, minus, you just subtract all the values, 360 minus of, you just add all the values of remaining, 360 plus 390 plus 70 plus 50 plus 40 plus 20. You need to add all these values and then subtract from 1500. You will get only football. So only football is equal to, here this value is 1500 minus, add all the values, units place is 0, and next coming to tens place, 6 plus 9 15, 15 plus 5 20, 27, 27 plus 4 31, 31 plus 2 33, 3 is the carry forward, and next 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, still that is 9, 930. So sum of all the values except this particular only football, remaining values are 930. Now subtract 930 from this 1500. What you will get here? Here it is 570. 570 members are playing only football. 570 members are playing only football. This is the complete data about the given passage. Now from this diagram, it is very clear that total number of students in the college, that is 1500. Out of 1500, only cricket 360, only football 570, only hockey 390, and both cricket and hockey 120, both hockey and football 70, both cricket and football 90, and all three games are 50 members are playing. This is the complete data about the given passage. Here in Caselet data interpretation, the information will be given in terms of passage. From that passage, we need to give some standard conclusions. Now, once you got this entire information, it is very easy to solve the problems based on this Caselet data interpretation. Now, look at the first question. Here is the first question. Find the number of students who plays cricket in a college. who plays cricket. He is not asking us to take the only cricket. He is asking us to calculate how many members are playing cricket. How many members are playing cricket in the sense you need to take all the values which are there in cricket circle. That is first one. This is cricket circle, right? So your required answer is how many members are playing cricket, which is equal to. I am just adding all the values which are there in cricket circle. One is 360. This 360 is only cricket. Number of students who are playing only cricket. And after that 70 is also there in that circle. That is only cricket and hockey. And next 40, this 40 is only cricket and football. And next 50, this 50 is a combination of cricket, hockey and football, all three games who are playing. That is 50. Now you just add all these values. 360 plus 40, 400. 400 plus 70, 470. 470 plus 50, 520. Therefore, number of students who are playing cricket, number of students who are playing cricket, which is equal to 520. That is the answer for this question. Once look at the options. Among the options, 520 is not there in any of the options. Therefore, your required answer is option E. None of this. None of this is the right answer. Look at the second question. Guys, once you got this entire information, that based on this complete information, you need to solve the remaining questions as well. Not only one question. Based on this data, you need to solve remaining all 5 questions. One question is already done. Let us look at the second question. Here is the second question. Find the number of students who plays exactly one game. Who plays exactly one game? It means exactly one game. It might be only cricket, it might be only hockey, and it might be only football. Now you need to take all these three values and then add those three values. Only cricket is 360. One value is 360. Only hockey 390. Only football 570. So add those three values: 360, 390, 570. Here first value only cricket 360. Second value only hockey 390. Third value only football 570. 570. Now you just add all these three values. Units place is 0. And next, coming to the tens place, 6 plus 9 15. 15 plus 7 22. 2 is the carry forward. And next 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 5 11. 11 plus 2 13. 13 20. 13 20 is the right answer for this question. Here number of students who plays exactly one game. Exactly one game, that is 1320. That is the required answer. Here also 1320 is not there among the options. Therefore your answer is option E. Option E is the right answer. And next, coming to this third question. Look at the third question. Find the number of students who plays at least two games. At least two games in the sense minimum two games, and maximum three games also you can take. Here, according to the given passage, we have total three games: cricket, hockey, and football. Out of those three games, see, he is asking us to calculate, find the number of students who are playing at least two games. At least two games is indicating minimum two games, maximum three games also you can take. So first, minimum two games. Minimum two games means that is combination of cricket and hockey. That is the first combination. Second combination, hockey and football. Hockey and football. And third combination, football and cricket. Football and cricket. These are the combinations of two games. Now you just also take all three combinations, that is cricket, hockey and also football, all three games. Now you just write down all the values, write down all the values over there. Once go back, cricket and hockey, first cricket and hockey 120, 120. Next hockey and football 70, cricket and football 90, 120, 70, 90 and all three games 50. See, I'm just writing all the values. 120. Next, cricket and football. Cricket and football is 70. Cricket and football is 70. Football and cricket is 90. And all three games 50. Now you just add all the values. Units place is 0. Tens place. Here it is 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 5, 23. 2 is a carry forward. Next 2 plus 1, 3. 330 is the sum of all these four values. It means number of students who plays at least two games, which is equal to 330. Among the options, 330 is the right answer for this question. That is option A. Option A is the right answer. Here none of this is indicating 1320. In the previous question also we have none of these. What is that answer? 520. 520 is the answer. 520. Let us look at the fourth question. Three questions are completed. Now it is time for fourth question. See here. Total how many students plays hockey and football? Total how many students are playing hockey and football, not together. Here he is asking us to calculate how many students are playing hockey, how many students are playing hockey and how many students are playing football. How many students are playing hockey and how many students are playing football. It means you except cricket. Except cricket you need to take all the remaining values. Except cricket in the sense uh, total how many students are playing hockey and football. So once go back to the first slide, that will show you the exact results. Except cricket, here hockey and football, only these two. Or else see, except only cricket you need to take the values. Why? Because here this particular in this three circles 70, 50, 40, these are also part of hockey and football, right? Therefore you need to take these two circles except only cricket. That means except 360, remaining all values you need to take. So except 360. So as we all know that total number of students are 1500. Total number of students are 1500 and only cricket is equal to 360 members. Now the combination of both hockey and football, which is nothing but obviously if you subtract only cricket value from total 1500, definitely you will get the number of students who are playing hockey and football. Here it is very clear that if you subtract if you want the number of students who are playing hockey and also football, he is not asking us to calculate both together. He is asking us to calculate how many members are playing hockey as well as cricket, which is equal to, you just take only hockey or else hockey and football combination or else hockey, football and cricket combination or else only football and here you can take football and cricket combination. All these combinations you just take it out. But instead of taking all these five values, it is better to take only few values, that is only one value. If you subtract only cricket 360 value from the total number of students, here the total number of students are 1500. From this 1500 if you subtract 360, what is the resultant answer? That is 11 40. 1140. That is the difference between total number of students and only cricket, which will gives you a number of students who are playing hockey and football. That is 1140. Among the options, option D is the right answer for this question. Option D. Let us look at the fifth question. Here is the fifth question. What is the ratio of, here we need to calculate the ratio of number of students who plays only football. Here we need to take the ratio of only football to the number of students who plays only cricket and only football. First one is only football, second one is only cricket. See, if you observe carefully, once go back to only football. Only football is 570, only cricket is 360, right? You just take those two values. First value is only football, which is 570, is to only cricket is 360. Here 0, 0 gets cancelled. After that, you can cancel with 2 table. Here it is, 3 table. 3 ones are and next 3 nines are. After that, 3 12 times. Therefore, the ratio of number of students who plays only football to the number of students who plays only cricket, which is equal to 19 is to 12. 19 is to 12. That is the required answer for this question. Once look at the options, 19 is to 12, that is not there in the given options. So you can go with the option E, which is 19 is to 12. In this way, you can calculate the problems based on the caselet data interpretation. Guys, I hope you understand the problems based on this caselet data interpretation. First of all, if you want to solve the problems based on this, first and foremost point is based on the information which is provided in the passage, you have to come to one conclusion of a final thing. Once you got all the values, then it is very easy to solve the problems based on that. Only thing is you need to get the final conclusion. Once you got the final conclusion, problem solving is not a difficult task. I hope you understand all the problems in this session. Thank you. Thanks for watching.